Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide phone number on Telegram. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. To sign up for Telegram, you need to provide a phone number. That's how the service authenticates your identity, but you don't actually need to keep your phone number to use Telegram. So I will show you how to hide your phone number from your Telegram profile. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Telegram. Now you can just go to the up left corner, the three lines over here. You can go to settings, tap on settings. Now you can just go to privacy and security. And in here, you'll find on the privacy section, there is an option phone number. By default, it's set to everybody. So anyone on Telegram who visit your profile, they can see your phone number. But if you want to hide it, you can just tap on nobody. So no one can see your phone number on your Telegram profile. You can also settings for who can find your Telegram by number. You can choose for everybody or my contact, or choose on my contact only. So now you have hide your phone number from your Telegram profile. It's so simple, right? So that is how to hide your phone number on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.